10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I am fine.
Tell me about yourself.
Yes. Hello, my name is Niam from Neeg, Vientiane district of Van province. I am a student. I study at Vientiane Secondary School in class 1. There are 6 people in my family. My father's name is Yonglini and my mother's name is Wami. They are farmers. Thank you.
Okay. So, where do you study English?
I study English in BC.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Why do you study English?
Because it is very important in daily life.
Okay. How long have you studied English?
I studied English for 4 months.
4 months?
Yes.
Okay. You can speak English very well.
Thank you very much.
How do you go to school every day?
Walk.
Walk?
Yes.
Okay. And how do you go to study English?
Walk.
Walk too? Okay. When do you study English?
4:30 to 5
4:30 to 5 in
evening.
the evening?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, what food do you like?
Noodle soup.
Noodle soup?
Yes.
Do you like papaya slab?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so what's your first name?
My first name is Eddie.
And what's your nickname?
Eddie.
Eddie.
Yes.
Okay, what's your family name?
My family name is Yonglini.
Okay, what do you want to be in the future?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
Okay, after you finish from high school, where are you going to study?
Study as a teacher.
As a teacher?
Yes.
In
my future.
In your future?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good evening. Good evening.
What is your name?
My name is Gina.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Cuag. And you?
My mother's name is me. Where do you study English?
I study in Lawv.
What is your first name?
My first name is Gina.
What is your family name?
My family name is Txawj.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
How do you feel today?
Hot.
What is your name?
My name is Ben. And you?
My name is Nu. Where are you from?
I'm from Paris.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 7 people in my family.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Go.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lee.
Where do you live?
I live in Txiv.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Chua.
Where are you from?
I'm from Neeg village.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Okay. Where do you study?
I study at Vientiane Secondary School.
What class do you study?
I study in class 2.
What's your first name?
My first name is Tua.
Do you like English?
Yes,
Why do you like English?
because English is important for me.
Okay. So how do you go to school every day?
I'm going by my motorbike.
Okay. Where do you study English?
I study English in BEC.
Okay. So how long have you studied English?
I studied English in for 4 months.
For 4 months?
Yes.
Okay. So what did you do last night?
Last night I did my homework.
You did your homework?
Yes.
Okay. So today, how do you feel?
I feel hot.
You feel hot?
Yes.
Okay. You speak English very well.
A little.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.